The Laffer curve is an economic concept that illustrates how taxation influences government revenue, highlighting the balance between tax rates, incentives, and economic growth. About Laffer curve. The Laffer curve is a concept in economics that explains how tax rates affect government revenue. The Laffer curve shows how tax revenue change when the tax rate is either increased or decreased. Typically, the Laffer curve has an inverted U-shape. It was popularized in 1974 by economist Arthur Laffer in a discussion with former US President Gerald Ford. The curve supports the notion in supply-side economics that tax and regulatory burdens can impede growth. It became an important part of supply-side economics, which emphasized that economic incentives like taxation affect production, investment, and growth. Laffer curve working mechanism. The Laffer curve demonstrates the relationship between tax rates and government revenue, showing that revenue does not increase indefinitely with higher taxation. At very low tax rates, government revenue is minimal because only a small portion of income is collected. As tax rates rise, revenue increases since the government collects a larger share of income while economic activity remains robust. However, beyond a certain threshold known as the revenue maximizing tax rate, further increase in taxation reduces incentives for work, investment, and production. Individuals and businesses may choose to work less, save less, or engage in tax avoidance, leading to a decline in total revenue. At the extreme, a hypothetical 100% tax rate would yield zero revenue as there would be no incentive to earn taxable income. The curve, typically represented as an inverted U-shape, emphasizes that effective fiscal policy must strike a balance between generating sufficient revenue and maintaining incentives for producer economic activity. By incorporating behavioral response, the Laffer curve provides a theoretical framework for understanding how tax policy influences economic growth and government finances. Laffer curve contemporary relevance. In countries like India, the Laffer curve provides guidance for designing tax rates that balance revenue collection with economic incentives, implementing targeted tax reform for investment, small businesses, and innovation, ensuring fiscal policy supports growth, fairness, and sustainable development. Limitations of the Laffer curve. While the Laffer curve provides useful insights into the relationship between tax rates and revenue, it has several limitations. First, it oversimplifies real-world tax systems, often considering a single tax rate while ignoring multiple taxes, exemptions, and indirect levies. Second, the revenue maximizing tax rate is difficult to determine empirically as it varies across countries, sectors, and economic conditions. Third, it assumes predictable behavioral responses, but in reality, taxpayer reactions are complex, influenced by enforcement, culture, and alternative income sources. Fourth, over-reliance on the curve may justify large tax cuts that reduce fiscal revenue and increases deficits, especially in developing economies with limited revenue bases. Lastly, it does not account for broader economic objectives such as equity, social welfare, and redistribution, focusing solely on revenue maximization rather than holistic fiscal policy.